So Avanti Apartments, we are here at Sion East. We've got kids play area there. As you can see, it's been raining incessantly. It's a big, nice, long and a great tower, more than 18-story, and it's got a turf where the children, the adults play football, cricket, and a lot of games down here. What a big turf. And you can imagine what kind of a garden this would be if this goes long and big and far. The track, which has swings and the sit-in area and the seats for the elderly and for the young and the old, and everybody can just relax, unwind, chill out. That's your big new tower. It's not new, it's been around for more than a couple of decades, 1980s onwards, but the way it's been maintained, it's fabulous, tremendous. It's got a couple of parking spaces also. Let's go in and have a look at a massive 2 BHK on sale. So Avanti apartment has a big pool area. Before that, it's got bathrooms, your steam rooms, you got changing, and what a big one this is, considering Avanti apartment has been around for a long time and they had the vision of having a pool for its residents. Have a look. It starts from 6 feet, I guess, yes, and goes all the way till about 8 to 10 feet, and that's the old concept of having a like a lot of depth in the pool. But yeah, shower area here as well. So brilliant society. We're having a look at a massive and a spacious 885 square feet usable carpet area, 2 BHK. Where do you get nowadays a 2 BHK of that kind of a carpet? An old world charm apartment. Avanti apartment have been around since 1975, and this is the one. That's how we entered, and that's your bells basically, so welcoming you. Let's shut the door and have a look. This is ample space here. What you have, your storage, your shoe cabinets, and as we go inside, it's got a nice long big passage. You got they had a washroom here, and household staff live in here, so they've converted this into a study. The bed and those thing where you can do yoga, where you can put your rubber bands and then do your yoga and exercises. And that's one of the common bathroom and the shower area inside, which also doubles up as the attached bathroom. If you shut this, you got a door for the entry and exit of somebody living in the bedroom. 885 square feet usable. We've seen this. There's a lot of ventilation, air everywhere. That's one of the bedrooms. That's how we entered from. And this they're all big spacious bedrooms, mind you, so big cupboards as well. This is I said old world charm because this has been there, and the wood quality is also great. Never rots and never gets affected by termite and white ant, because this is that's your greenery outside basically. It's very close to the King Circle station, so ample storage everywhere. That's another entry and exit for the common bathroom that we saw, and we can get inside and have a look. I love this apartment because this is so cool. It's a lot of light from everywhere. That's your kitchen here with a lot of storage, so the buyers can take everything they want. Like the sellers are okay to give it the way it is. Very nice, pristine and cool, and the walls and the paintings, they're all very old. Been around for the last 25-30 years. Even the furniture. The second bedroom is the ensuite bathroom with it. Have a look, and it's got storage cabinets everywhere, storage on both sides. You got air cons as well. There you go, storage up there, and brilliant. That's your bathroom. So you got washing machine provision and the WC there. Fantastic 885 square feet. The hospitals, the schools and the colleges are all nearby. That's a living space, a massive and a big living space with a lot of sunlight coming from there, greenery from there, sunlight, so ventilation, Vastu compliant home. Good, cozy, nice, neat apartment. Flooring has been since time immemorial. A lot of greenery around, verdant area. That's your living space. brilliant 885 square feet usable carpet area. Have a look from this side as well. Avanti apartment, Sion East, Kikabai Hospital, and a lot of other famous names and landmarks around. Brilliant 2BHK. That's where we enter from. So advertise, rent, sell your properties on YouTube and Instagram with Rafiq Merchant. This is a 2BHK on sale at a great price and an amazing location. Avanti Apartments, if you haven't heard, you have here right now and right away. Cheers. If you want to have a look at this, holla at me. Cheers.